Okay, some of you have asked how to bring your subject back if you accidentally brush them away. So let's say here I have accidentally brushed her dress away and I want to bring it back. What I'll do is click on my layer and I will go over here and get the white brush, and I can bring back whatever part of the subject that I want to bring back. Another tip that I also do is I will go at a lower opacity when I'm brushing off some of the edges here. That way you don't have such harsh lines. And also, if you leave some of your original picture in the composite, it will help it look more realistic. For instance, this grass is from this picture of her, so I'm going to leave some of the grass in there. That way it'll really help with the blending there. So there is a little tip for you guys.